In today's global supply chain, responsibility matters as much as quality. HAPLAST has been audited under the amfori BSCI framework, one of the leading international standards for social compliance. This audit evaluates working conditions, labor rights, health and safety, and ethical business practices across our manufacturing operations. HAPLAST fully complies with key ethical principles, including no child labor, no forced labor, equal and fair treatment, respect for workers' rights, environmental responsibility. With an overall rating of C, the audit highlights our solid foundation, while guiding us toward continuous improvement in safety systems, management processes, and employee welfare. At HAPLAST, we are committed to building a safer, more responsible, and sustainable workplace every day. HAPLAST, responsible manufacturing you can trust.